In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. If you want an easy way to organize and review the responses from your form, connecting it to a spreadsheet is one of the most useful things you can do. Once the connection is set up, every new response will automatically appear in Google Sheets, which makes it much easier to sort, filter, analyze, and keep track of your data. To get started, open your Google form at the top of the form. Click on the Responses tab. This is the section where Google Forms collects all the answers submitted by your respondents. If your form is already receiving responses, this is where you can quickly view them. More importantly, this is also where you connect the form to a spreadsheet. Next, look for the green link to Sheets icon. You may also see 3 vertical dots right next to it. If you click those dots, choose Select Response Destination. Both options take you to the same place, so use whichever one is visible or easier for you to access. A pop-up window will appear, and here Google gives you 2 options for where your form responses should go. The first option is Create a new spreadsheet. This is the best choice if you want a clean separate file just for this form. You can type a custom name for the spreadsheet, so it's easy to recognize later. And Google will save it directly to your Google Drive. The second option is Select Existing Spreadsheet. This is helpful if you already have a Google Sheet you use for tracking related information and you want the form responses added there. When you choose this option, click Select. Then browse your Google Drive to find the spreadsheet you want to use. After you choose the file, click Insert. This will add the form responses into that spreadsheet as a new tab, helping you keep everything in one place without mixing it into your existing tabs. Once you've chosen the option that works best for you, click Create or Insert. Depending on the option you selected, Google will automatically open the spreadsheet for you. From that point on, all future form submissions will instantly populate into the sheet without you needing to do anything else. That means your form and spreadsheet are now linked, and response tracking becomes much more efficient and reliable. Thanks for watching.